All right, maintenant, on va regarder les questions pour 5.9, les tremblements de terre. On va faire 1, 2 et 3. Et c'est à la page 191. OK, 191. Tu peux le voir ici dans le coin. Alors, ça dit, question numéro 1A. Quel mouvement des plaques tectoniques est le plus souvent à l'origine des tremblements de terre? So, which movement, we discussed a few of them when we talked about tectonic plates. So, which one is the main cause of earthquakes? And we know it's frottement. Le frottement des roches le long d'une faille, par exemple, à la frontière de deux plaques tectoniques. So it's that movement, it's that rubbing of rocks along a crack that can cause an earthquake to happen when two plaque tectonics are going in opposite directions and sliding along each other. Question B. Quel est le lien entre ce mouvement et un tremblement de terre? So what is the link? What is the commonality between this movement and an earthquake? It says, lorsque les plaques glissent l'une contre l'autre, so when the plates slide against one another, les roches s'entrechoquent, ce qui dégage de l'énergie sous forme de vibration. So they actually create this shock, right? This intense shock, which releases, dégage means release, releases energy sous forme de vibration, which are in form of vibrations. Si on regarde question numéro 2, parmi les phénomènes suivants, surligne celui qui n'est pas associé au tremblement de terre. So which one of these, there's only one, is not associated with earthquakes? It's not a vocab word for this unit. So we have énergie, épicentre, faille, fissure, frottement, glissement, hydrosphère, lithosphère, secousse, and volcan. So if you looked on page 190, all those words are there except for one. And the one that we did not discuss, or it's not part of earthquakes, would be l'hydrosphère, right? Which is the bodies of water. Question numéro 3, vrai ou faux? Si un énoncé est faux, corrige-le. So we're going to say whether these are true or false, and if it's false, we're going to correct it. Question A, les tremblements de terre ont toujours lieu le long des plaques tectoniques. So are earthquakes always along tectonic plates? Always, always. And we know that that is faux. Ils peuvent aussi se produire dans des failles à l'intérieur d'une plaque. They can also happen inside a tectonic plate. Doesn't have to be along the side of a plaque tectonique. Question B. Les tremblements de terre sont ressentis seulement à proximité de l'épicentre. So do you only feel an earthquake if you are close to the epicenter? We know that that is also faux. Ils sont souvent ressentis à plusieurs centaines de kilomètres de l'épicentre. It would be the strongest if you were at the epicenter, but you could actually feel an earthquake if you are hundreds of kilometers away from the epicenter as well. Question C. Les tremblements de terre sont provoqués par un mouvement brusque des plaques tectoniques. So are earthquakes caused by this brisk movement of the tectonic plates? Oui, c'est vrai. Et la dernière question, D. Les secousses des tremblements de terre peuvent durer plusieurs heures. So this shaking, these earthquakes, can they last many, many hours? And we know that that is false. Okay? Les secousses durent quelques secondes ou quelques minutes. Okay? So they can be a few seconds long or a few minutes long, but they can't go hours and hours and hours. Et ça, c'est tout. Alors, je vais placer un vidéo aussi, Earthquakes 101, que tu peux regarder. Et aussi, vous pouvez compléter votre Mon Lab pour 5.9. Bonne journée tout le monde!